Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have 5 raised to power k is equal to k raised to power 625, and here we to solve for the value of k. So k is the unknown one to solve for. To do this, solution, so we have 5 raised to power k is equal to k raised to power 625. So right here, the first thing we're going to do is to eliminate this power k from here. And to do so, we're going to multiply the both sides of the equation with power 1 over k. So this then becomes, in brackets, 5 raised to power k, then multiplied by 1 over k is equal to, in brackets, k raised to power 625, then multiplied by 1 over k. Now, with this, making use of this rule, that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here and here also, we have 5. Now power k, we multiply 1 over k. K times 1 is k over k equals k raised to power 625 times 1 is 625 over k. So from here, k, we cancel k, we have 5 is equal to k raised to power 625 over k. So with this, the next thing we're going to do is to remove power 625 from here. And to do so, we're going to multiply the both sides of the equation with power 1 over 625. So multiplying both sides of the equation with power 1 over 625, this becomes 5 raised to power 1 over 625 is equal to, we have k, right, raised to power 625 over k, then multiplied by power 1 over 625, such that with this, we have 5 raised to power 1 over 625, okay, is equal to, also applying this rule, that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, what we have is this, we have k, now raised to power 625 times 1 is 625, okay, all over k times 625 is 625k. Good. Such that from here, what we then have is this, 5 raised to power 1 over 625 is equal to k raised to power, this divide this, we have 1 over k. Now, at this junction, if you observe closely, on the right hand side of the equation, k right here, which is the base, you see, is equal to k right here, which is the power denominator, right? So they are both equal to each other, kk. But on the left hand side of the equation, the base right here, which is 5, is not equal to the power denominator. And in order for us to solve this further, we are going to ensure that the base right here should also equal the power denominator, same thing as you have on the right hand side. Now, in order for us to solve this, it's very simple. What we are going to do first, we're going to factorize out power 1 from this power. This becomes 5 raised to power 1 times 1 over 625, okay, is equal to k raised to power 1 over k. Now, with this, we are then going to apply the concept of equivalent fraction. You see, 1 can be written as 5 over 5. If you divide this, you will get 1. It can be written as 4 over 4, as 3 over 3, and so on. It will still give you 1. So in this case, in replace of 1, we'll bring in 5 over 5, okay, to replace 1 right here, such that this then becomes 5 raised to power 5 over 5 to replace 1, then times 1 over 625 is equal to k raised to power 1 over k. So from here, 5 raised to power 5 times 1 is 5 over 5 times 625 will give us 3125 is equal to k raised to power 1 over k. With this, okay, the base right here is not still equal to the power denominator, so we are going to factorize out power 5 from here. This becomes 5 raised to power 5 times 1 over 3125 is equal to k raised to power 1 over k, such that we are then going to apply this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So here we have 5 raised to power 5 times 1 over 3125. This can be written in the form of, in brackets, 5 raised to power 5 or raised to power 1 over 3125, following this rule, right? So it's all equal to, here we have k raised to power 1 over k. From here, 5 raised to power 5, right, is equal to 5 in 5 places. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5, 25 times 5. 1, 2, 5 times 5. 6, 2, 5 times 5. The value is equal to 3125. So therefore, in replace of 5 raised to power 5, we'll bring in 3125. Then all raised to power 1 over 3125 is equal to k raised to power 1 over k. So writing this up here, we have this 3125 raised to power 1 over 3125 is equal to k raised to power 1 over k. So if you look at this, you see that the base right here is equal to the power denominator. Same thing here also, the base right here is equal to the power denominator. So as such, we can then compare the exponents, such that 1 over 3125 is equal to 1 over k. Then simply multiply k times 1, k equals 3125 times 1 is 3125. So with this, we have gotten the value of k. Now, the next thing is to then check if the value of k is the correct solution. So let us check right here. The value of k that we got was 3125, and the question is 5 raised to power k equals k raised to power 625. So from here, if we input the value of k into this equation, will it equal each other? Let us confirm. So k is 3125. We have 5 raised to power k, 3125 equals k 3125 all raised to power 625. So from here, don't forget that 5 raised to power 5 is equal to 3125. That is, if you multiply 5 in 5 places, you will get 3125. Don't forget that from here, right here. Okay, so with this, inputting the value of 3125 as 5 power of 5, we have this to equal 5 raised to power 3125 is equal to, this then becomes in bracket 5 raised to power 5 or raised to power 625. So from here, we have 5 raised to power 3125 is equal to, then applying this rule, if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a times b times c. So right here, applying this rule here, we have 5, then 5 times 6 to 5. So 5 times 6 to 5. 5 raised to power 3125 is equal to, we have 5 raised to power 5 times 6 to 5. So if you multiply 6 to 5 times 5, okay, 5 times 5, 25, write down 5, then 2, 5 times 2 is 10, then plus 2, that is 12, so 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1, 31, the value is 3125, so 3125. So looking at this, we can see that the values are equal to each other. So this means that the value of k that we got as 3125 is the correct solution for the question. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.